Hey everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with a process video for Miss Kate Cuttables. I have long been a fan of Miss Kate Cuttables cut files. Their cute, whimsical critters, I think, are my favorite. When she asked if I would help her promote her new monthly subscription kit, I said, sure, of course. She sent me the April kit, which is the Birthday Wishes kit. And I did a kit unboxing with it in another YouTube video. So you can check to see everything that's included in the kit if you want more details. But it comes with pattern papers and coordinating solid color papers, a sticker sheet, and some die cut ephemera pieces. I really wanted to create a layout of my grandson's first birthday. And so I have a couple of his cake smash pictures here. For my background, which I did ahead of time, I'm using one of the pattern papers in the purple, blues, and green. It's a striped paper as a border. And then I have one of those coordinating solid colors to help frame my white cardstock. So in the middle of that white cardstock, I cut out a star with my Silhouette Cameo. The star I cut out, I removed, and then I put the negative space back in there and backed it with another one of the purples from the solid color coordinating papers. After cutting out the star and adhering it to my background paper, I went ahead and did some machine stitching on the background, all the way around on the white and inside on that star. I then used some of my spray mist to splatter some light purple and some blue splatters all over my background. So I'm kind of going from lower right to upper left there when I was working on my splatters, so it's not everywhere. The other thing I did to prep before I started videotaping is all of those solid colors. I went and cut out a whole bunch of stars with a nested dice that I have from Echo Park paper. With it nested, it cuts about probably 5 different stars. So I have this iteration of stars again that kind of mimics that star I cut with my silhouette in the middle of my layout on the background. I grounded my photos with this blue polka dot paper, and I created the banners on the ends of these with my We Are Memory Keepers banner board. I wanted to use this title Celebrate underneath my photos. So it is slightly on the bottom edge of my photos there. So I have my photos and that title popped up with some foam tape to give it some dimension. I am framing the title then with some of the stars I had die cut out. So I have the purple and green, and I have light blue and purple up in the upper left corner of my photo. I'm trying to bring in more of the colors that I in that pattern paper on the border and not introduce a bunch of new colors. But because there's all these colors in the title too, I feel like I can have the smaller stars still be those other colors, the orange and the red and yellow. I'm still using some of those colors, but on a smaller scale, the small stars. From the sticker sheet, I grabbed a banner to put underneath my title Celebrate, and I'm also using a sticker cake there tucked in under my photos on the left, and there's a die cut teddy bear that I have there on the right side of my title. This really came together pretty fast, easy to do when you have such a gorgeous kit to work with. To finish up my layout, I added a bow I tied with my Bow Easy with some green hemp twine. And then I'm going around my star with a micron black pen, just adding the words happy birthday to you, because I thought it needed just a little bit more. I still felt like my layout was missing something, and I wanted to put a couple tags above my photos on the right side. I die cut a couple tags and I tied some green twine to those tags, and I'm just tucking them in above the photo. I'm using more of the solid color pattern papers to do that. The last thing I'm going to do on here is add some confetti stickers just scattered all over the place on my background. I love how this turned out. Let me know what you think and go check out Miss Kate Cuttables' new monthly subscription kits. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye now.